Dowry system. Introduction. In the early days, dowry was an institution in which gift and presents were given to a girl at the time of her marriage, when she was required to leave her parents' home and join her husband's household. But in course of time, it became a crude institution, resulting in female infanticide, suicide, bride burning, and other indigenities and cruelties. The problem of dowry has become a serious social evil among the upper caste and middle classes, both in towns and villages. The rules of marriage, namely caste endogamy and clan exogamy and anuloma hypergamy, patuloma hypogamy, have been misinterpreted and misused for maintaining the dowry system. What is meant by dowry? Property or money brought by a bride to her husband when she marries him. Can you define dowry system? The dowry has been defined as it is the transfer of parental property to a daughter at her marriage. This fund may provide an element of financial security, eventually go to provide for her sons and daughters. Dowry, look at this picture. Dowry is considered as social evil, causing suffering of peoples and parents, corruption and bribe in the society. It has determined the status of women, result in dowry death, suicide and homicide. Factors responsible for dowry system: caste system, social custom, inevitability of marriage, false notation of social status, sociological implication of dowry system. Positive: helps in establishment of new household, increased status of women in the family, increase the family status within the society, maintain harmony and unity among the family. Negative: leads to a lot of other social evils like alcoholism, bribery, theft, and prostitution. Parents of the girl often commit forgery, misapplication to arrange for dowry, homicide, dowry death. Legislations related to dowry system. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, amended 1984-1986. Minimum 5 years of imprisonment, rupees 15,000 fine equivalent value of dowry. Thank you. Have a good day.